Hello Money Making Crew, the boy is Futunde from MoneyMakingCrew.com. Today I'm back with another video, another awesome interesting video. I'm very happy with this video. I know most of our videos are always based on how to make money online, how to make money offline, different ways of making money, maybe online or offline. Yeah, after making this money, what are we going to do with money? Maybe we are going to use it to shop, to buy something online, or to buy something offline, or to get whatever you want to get. But let me tell you something, all those money, keep it somewhere, because today I'm going to show you something awesome, how to shop everything for free, how to shop on all the so big companies like Microsoft, like Puma, like AliExpress, like eBay, so many companies like that, like Adidas. How to shop on all this company for free, not only limited to this company, to this e-commerce company, but any company for free. Another thing that we are still going to earn like extra $10 after making all the shipping that is free for you. So maybe you should calm down. Let's make cool right now. Are you already Money Making Crew fans? No, if not, make sure you click the subscribe button right now and click the notification bell. And if you are you have already been in the crew and you haven't clicked the notification bell, make sure you click the notification bell, because I drop new video almost every day. Yes, like this video right here, I drop it is the day before yesterday. I dropped that video, so make sure you are subscribe crew right now. So let's get started to the video. Today's video, as I said earlier, how to make money from online shopping sites. See right there, to make money from online shopping sites, you can earn like $35 for every $25 shopping over and over again. Every $35 shopping, you earn $25. That is how much gain? That is $10 gain. You are not going to shop. You shop $25. Look at it very well, and you earn $35. So what you shop is already what you earn back, and you still earn $10 in extra. So there's nothing to lose. You are getting all the products to you for free. That is it. This means free product of your choice. Any product you want, anything, plus $10 over and over again. So that means that you're going to get free product for anything you get, and that's already looks something that I didn't understand, right? Let's get started to the screen. Let's get started to my screen. Like AliExpress right now, you can shop there for free. Yes, it. Like Amazon, this is Amazon. Can shop Amazon like this. Beautiful Christmas, a very good season, beautiful Christmas trees. You can shop it for free. Anything. I just make that as an example, man. Like this on eBay, all this shop for free, and I'm still going to give you a bonus at the end of this video. After showing you how to get this, I'm going to give you a bonus, a very awesome bonus. So make sure you stick to the video. Even though after I've mentioned the site, make sure you still stick to the video. So this company is a very legit company, very awesome company. I'm supposed to show you something first, starting this video like this. Oops, what are you showing? You're showing us mercy, you're showing us back. Yes, that's what I'm showing you, but it's not a clickbait. It's not that I've diverted to anything, but I'm still going to show you why I did that after this. So I started with the company to confirm so many things about this before uploading it, right? I've asked maybe it's available for countries like other countries like USA, Germany, like Nigeria, Africa country. Is available worldwide because it's a very big company, it's not a small company at all. So after that, I asked them some few questions. I think these are our charts right here. These are our charts. I asked the company like say yes, say thank you for contacting, and say hello Abdullah, thank you for chatting. I'll be happy to walk you through how to earn cashback. Well, this is not really cashback or what any here. Just calm down. There are certain stores you were thinking of shopping with today. I say yeah, AliExpress. I just make mention that because I know so many people will love that, but there are so many. I'm going to show you later. Wonderful. AliExpress is currently offering 2.7% cashback, right? This is where I'm going. I want her, or yes, I want her to tell me that, to ask that. So I say the refer and earn stuff. See, this is not about going up and down refer, because if you heard of refer and now say, oh, let me create this video, is about refer. It's not about refer. I'm going to show you the trick that you really don't need to go and refer or whatever. So I'll be happy to check you this for now. Okay, I'll be happy to check on this for you. Do you refer a member? I say no, not yet. Okay, just want to, since the person also was ship on AliExpress. Okay, great. You can earn $25. See, $25 referral bonus for every new member you refer that join and place $25 qualified purchase within their first within their first membership, first year of membership, right? You can invite friends to join via mail, social media, or provide with person with the person refer link. These resources are available to you on refer and home page here. So share the link for me. Okay, and I ask, how many days will it take for the $25 to appear on my account, and how will I get it? And also, and is there any offer for that friend too? Okay, I mean that, is there any offer for that friend too that I refer? Right, I asked that. So but everything got cut, and they mailed me to continue our conversation. So this is what they mean. You just need to calm down with this video. You really want to end, but calm down. Thank you for chatting earlier. It appears that our conversation ended prematurely. The $25 referral bonus will be approved to your account within 48 hours after your referral qualified purchase has posted to their account. Your referral are eligible for $10, so that's extra $10 sign-up bonus that can earn this bonus by placing a $25 qualifying purchase within the first 90 days of membership, right? Would be the referral bonus will then be included as part of our upcoming payments. Memberships are able to receive their cashback via check, right? Via check or paper, whichever you prefer. Yeah, you can adjust your payment maybe later, right? You can adjust your payment events within your account settings. So just tell me that. So sorry for that reading, or my language of reading, so that. So before showing you the sites, let me show you something again. All these sites, shopping all these sites for free is not something like you go straight to the site and shop for free. No, not that. These sites, because I show you something like Barcelona. Yeah, this site, the former name of this site is so this site is formerly known as Ribati or something like that. So after the very big brand that promoting Baka, like Rakuten, when you see what the brand on their shirt, see it here, Rakuten. So they purchased purchased the site. So the site was changed to Rakuten. So this is the site Rakuten. This site is very awesome. They're kind of promoting the site together in this same site. So they are not selling anything, but they are promoting the brand, the sites right there. So that's what they are doing. So there's no way to catch out. Sorry, there's no way to check out for this site at all. So see the brand like AliExpress, Alibaba, like Amazon, Nike. See, like all those popular things shop from this site. So you see, but we are not want, if you don't want all that. See, these are the sites. So what we are very concerned about on this side is this part, refer and earn. This part, refer and earn. Yeah, refer and earn $25, right? Okay, is it going to be very easy like that to refer? They already explained everything, like from that text I showed you, from that from this I showed you earlier our chat. I said every refer you made, you get what, $25, and that person you refer to get what, $10. That's what I'm telling you about this $35 right? 25 and 10. How to get this $35 is what I want to tell you something today. So if you refer someone, let me say you know, so many people normally shop online so many different ways. So you know that maybe your sister normally shop on AliExpress, or she don't normally shop, or something like that. You can just say, "Hi mom, hello, what if you shop online for like $25 you just pass through a site instead of shopping straight on AliExpress or on eBay. You just pass through a site and you're still going to get $10 for every shopping you made. Mom will say, yeah, wow, yeah, can you show me that? And you kind of send your referral link to our mail. So you just enter through our mail and sign up for her, and then through that get that. But what if mom is not always the kind of shopping, or if your sister is not like that? It's very simple. Just call her, hello sister, what if you shop on this company for free and you still get $10? So yeah, wow. So if some of you is shopping on your platform or on your own account, take that $25, take it straight to your sister account, and take it straight for your sister, and then maybe on a paper account. Most of these sites check out through paper, like Amazon to check out through paper, right? Nike and all those sites check out through paper. So just use your paper account to check out for her and buy what you really want to buy for $25. Do you understand? No, maybe you didn't understand what I mean. Okay, you want to purchase something on Amazon like this. You want to purchase something, let's say on Amazon. Okay, let's come here. Let's say yes, here I say you want to purchase this. So what another time I'm going to say is purchase something around that $25, right, or below $25. Should be around that amount. Should be around that $25. If you want to purchase something, let's say AliExpress, right? These are very lovely chains. Okay, let's say this chain. So this cup chain is worth $0.94. So you can just pick, like, let's say that they just assume this is 27 piece of this shape. Okay, buy again and again and again. So just send your sister, your mom's mail right here, and send her the mail that you're gonna go through with your referral links in there. So through that link, sign up for her, for him, or for dad, or for mom. After sign up for her, this is my referral link, is down in the description. First link in the description of this video too. After that, you're gonna see my awesome link. So after sending the link, then you sign up through that, then you purchase your first 25 order, maybe for yourself, through her, then you get $25. She got $10. So through that, she don't even know this. I can't see this is not a payment platform, so there's no way to check out. I've said that earlier. The only way is for you to do what? To cash out. Okay, so that should be all for today. But I said I'm going to give you a bonus. This should be the bonus. So there's a kind of, if you are using Google Chrome, there's a kind of called hello, right? Let's say Honey. Yeah, that is a kind of extension called Honey. So you can just go to your Google Chrome and search for Honey extension. So what this Honey does is that once you're in the cash out place like this, Honey is going to find any coupon that is even very, very awesome for you, that you can very awesome coupons that you can apply, and you're still going to buy something that you want to buy for like $26, still going to buy it for like $20 or for like $23. So it's still going to count like we bought it for $26, right? So, and something again from that. So, and why is this thing is very important? Because if you haven't using any store that you're not using a carton, buying starting from today, make sure that anything you want to buy, go to Rakaton first. After going there, sign up. Maybe you send refer to someone, through that person is before you buy anything you want to buy, to the new person you refer, maybe 25 or more than that, and you make sure you pass through the Rakaton account of the person, and make sure you're the one that refer. So every time you refer someone, the next order you want to order, use that person's account to order for it, and the person is going to get $10, and the person is going to be aware of Rakaton. So that's how it's moving, right? That's how the referral stuff is going. So you're going to be earning $10, and the person is still going to be earning what? The person is going to be earning $10, and you're going to be earning $20, $25. And what if the person did not even care about it? So the $5 is going to $10 is going to send to the person account, so you can use your account. And using Honey again is very awesome. Using this one, so it's going to let you even be more gaining more and buying something extremely free. Buy something free and you still earn from it. $10 extra. After buying $25, they give you the money back, $25 back. I say and $10 in return. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really find this video awesome, interesting, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not been Money Making Crew before. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I drop new video almost every day. One thing I always want from you is the like button. Hit the like button right now. Hit it. Click the like button. Thank you very much. If it's not making money, it's not making sense. Thank you. Peace out.